americano.
Talaga.
We would just like to see if you have any feedback on the coronavirus. I understand that you're working, but I'm just trying to see if you have any feedback. Ooh, tell us more about that. Could you please speak into the microphone? What else do you have to say? Do you have any feedback on the coronavirus? What about you, sir? Please continue talking. Excuse me, what are you doing? Did you poop in the food? I'm sorry, you seem to be quite relaxed. Do you have any feedback? I understand that you're sleeping, but do you have any feedback on the virus? I'm sorry to disturb you, but do you have any feedback? Oh, sorry, you seem to have some poop in your nose.